Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments with Affirm. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. So for setting up automatic payments, what you got to do is to log into your Affirm accounts. You can do that online or through the mobile app, and then you just want to click the payments or payment schedule tab, and then you want to select the automatic payment option, and then just choose a payment method, such as your bank account. It could be a credit or debit card, and then just confirm your payment details, including the payment amounts and of course the frequency. There are a couple of payment methods for automatic payments. It could be bank accounts, so you can set up automatic payments for your bank, using the ACH. You could also have the debit cards. You can use debit cards to make automatic payments. You could also use a credit card to make automatic payments. Now you got to take notes that using a credit card is going to incur additional interest charges. So I advise you that you do not use your credit card. You can just make use of your debit card or your bank accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.